Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get Kabbage funding for a restaurant. Now, running a restaurant is tough. From managing inventory to staffing, daily costs can add up quite fast. And if you need flexible financing to stay afloat or expand, Kabbage might be a great fit. And here's how to get funding tailored to restaurant needs. Step 1. Understand restaurant cash flow challenges. Now, restaurants deal with fluctuating daily revenue, higher upfront costs for ingredients, equipment repair and maintenance, and seasonal dips in traffic. Now, Cabbage helps to bridge the gap between expenses and income, especially when margins are tight. Step 2, prepare your business information. Now, before applying, you're going to need to gather a couple of things: your bank statements, POS or sales data, formation documents, as well as payroll or vendor payment records. This data helps Cabbage to understand your revenue consistency. Step 3, apply online and link accounts. Now go to the Kabbage website and apply for a line of credit. You're going to have to link your business checking account, your POS system if available, like Square or Toast, as well as your accounting software. Now Kabbage evaluates real-time performance to determine how much that you qualify for. Step 4, use funds wisely. Now, once approved, you can draw funds to handle bulk ingredient purchases, emergency kitchen repairs, hiring extra staff during busy seasons, and launching deliveries or catering services. Use the funds as needed and only borrow what's necessary. Step 5, monitor spending with Kabbage Insights. Now, track how borrowed funds impact your profit margin. You can use Kabbage Insights to forecast low revenue days, as well as plan ahead for food ordering, and also time draws for max efficiency. Kabbage offers restaurants a fast, flexible way to access working capital without the long waits or traditional loans. Now, whether you're covering slow periods or prepping for the dinner rush, Kabbage helps keep the kitchen running. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.